Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by matching the plunger to the fixture. This matters because the seal determines force transfer. Once you've added 2 inches of water to cover the lip, position the plunger vertically over the drain so the rim contacts evenly. Press down slowly to expel air, then pull up just enough to break the seal. Make sure to keep a tight, centered fit. This creates the vacuum and pressure you'll use in the next step. Now you pump. Give 8-12 firm pumps with a steady push then pull rhythm because alternating pressure loosens the clog. Once done, pull sharply to break the vacuum and force material through. This is why you expelled air earlier. If the seal leaks, pause and reposition. Small leaks kill efficiency. Make sure to check flow after a few pumps. If water drains slowly, repeat. If resistance suddenly increases, stop and reassess to avoid splashing or damaging the flange. To finish, run hot water to flush loosened debris and confirm full drainage. This removes residue and tells you success. Then clean and disinfect the plunger and surrounding area. Drying and storing upright prevents odors and mold. If the clog persists after several correct attempts, switch to a drain auger or call a professional because repeated plunging can worsen some blockages. One key troubleshooting tip: if water backs up repeatedly, there may be a vent or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.